Westbound 108 at 140th. We're following a motorcycle. Very high rate of speed, splitting traffic, very dangerous operation here. Yeah, splitting traffic, eh?
Crazy.
Motorcycle high rate of speed westbound 108.
There it goes.
Yeah, pick up the speed again.
Yeah, bring it to traffic. Come up to, copy, reverse here. Traffic still westbound, Guildford.
Surrey Town 9, failed to stop. Air 1, you got him?
Yes, very high rate of speed, westbound on 108 through 130th. Surrey Patch Pole 16, please give Delta the heads up.
Sir, you can call the mall to get security, get the cameras up.
We have mall security portable. We're notifying them right now.
Okay, up to the upper level parking lot, right by the Walmart sign, and he's gone. Drove his motorcycle right up to the glass for the Walmart. Yeah, PC in upper level, stop right there. Get out, go into that glass pyramid. He drove his motorcycle right in there. Keep your eye on the side streets. Keep your eye on the side streets, right? Holy shit. Okay, we got him. He's still on the motorcycle, out to 108 on the sidewalk.
So he drive through Walmart in the motorbike?
Yes.
Wow.
Okay, out to 108 and 152, and he's now southbound into the mall on the north side of 108 by the Sears. Arrestable for that offense. Also arrestable for flight from police.
It's on the pet crossing.
Yeah. Okay, he's now on the ped crossing and he's crossing Highway 1 on the pedestrian overpass and is coming out to 111 Alpha on the east side of Highway 1.
Copy, took the pedestrian overpass across Highway 1 coming on 111.
Yeah, I'm actually going to call this a 112. He's eastbound on 112, coming to 154 high rate of speed. And is blowing stop signs and not even tapping the brakes. Okay, onto the sidewalk, and he's now using the pedestrian bridge. Pedestrians have to jump out of the way. He's now southbound on the pedestrian bridge, going over Highway 1. This will spit him out at Tynehead, and like 168.